At the first, I'd like to thank you very much, Mr. Sagar, for inviting me here. As you asked me to introduce myself, my name is Muhammad Shaheen. At this moment, I live in Gazipur, but my home district is Jamalpur uh, at the Ongoj Thana. And I have completed graduation in Bengali. My major was Bangla. Right now, I am taking training in a reputed medical company, which is called Ibn Sina Pharmaceutical. So now I am taking this training, and in the next month, at the starting of 2025, my job will be start.
Okay, so we all have a dream that is long term or it can be short term. So what is your long term dream?
Okay, to be truth, if I explain you in details, I have to say that in future I want to be a businessman. So that's why to get some, I can say, I need some money. So that's why I am going to collect some money, or I can say, uh, so it's very essential to start a business. And I know there is need a lots of knowledge about the business. That's why at the beginning of my career, I would like to do with job. Then I will learn more about this, and after that, I will go to the business section.
Okay, so do you think that being a businessman in Bangladesh is very easier or challenging?
I don't think that it's easy. It's obviously challenging because we all know that in Bangladesh doing business is really tough because there are many problems in Bangladesh, political problems, social problems, and mindset, everything. So that's in short. If I give you the answer, is it's tough, but I have to take the challenge to prevent this kind of challenge. That's it.
So you have shared your long term goal. So what is your short term goal?
Okay, my short-term goal is now I will focus on my job, and I would like to do better in the job because in marketing section, I think you know there is a huge opportunity to earn money. So that's why uh, I want to do better in my job. At the same time, I want to achieve some skill, and I already in the process of learning speaking English, and also I would like to know digital marketing section. Already I have spent a lot of time in this sector, but I will have gather much more knowledge about this in this section. I know it will help me to do better in future. So that's why my short term is, in short, if I say, I have to do good in my job, and then I have to also achieve digital marketing skill. So it will help my business.
Okay.
That's it.
So many individual, can't carry on their job, which is marketing, okay, without talk activeness. So do you think that having talk activeness in mind is very indispensable or crucial in case of being, a student of management?
Yes, yes, you are absolutely right. In this section, in this sector, in especially in marketing, I have to manage everything: time management, money management, communication skill. It's needed for this.
Okay. So do you think that getting a job in this sector